Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to cut your printables apart. Thank you so much for purchasing from us. We really appreciate it. So to go over the materials, I have a self-healing cut mat, and there's a couple different methods you could use to cut these apart from each other. You could use a straight edge and a blade, a craft knife. You could also use an X-Acto knife to cut this apart. Or if you have a paper cutter, you could also use that. I am going to go ahead and use the straight edge and a craft knife. So my ruler has a cork back so that it doesn't slip around as I'm cutting. So what I'm going to do is line it up along the center with the provided cut line there for me, and hold my ruler down as I start with the blade just above the page, not on the page, and that way I'm already making a cutting motion as I come down. So I actually tend to stand up when I cut, so I'll hold again, pushing down, making sure that my fingers are clear of the edge of the ruler, and go ahead and make a couple passes, because there's no way I'll be able to line my ruler up again. Okay, and then I see that it's cut. Okay, and the next thing that I want to do, you don't need one, but I'm going to use a bone folder to go ahead and crease this. So I'm going to flip it over with the print side down and just roll it and line up my edges. Here we go. Let me do this so you can see. Line up the corners with each other. Okay. Hold that in place with your non-dominant hand. And just crease it at the center here. And you can either use your fingers to push, or one of your fingernails, or a bone folder. And again, I'm pushing down with these fingers here, and I'm just going to push that across. And flip it, and do the same. From the center all the way to the corners. And now we have a card. Blank on the inside. I'll do that one more time. So I take my cut piece, I'm going to flip it print side down, okay, and then fold it, lining up all the corners, okay, holding it down on the open edge. I'll slide my thumbs toward the folded edge and crease it, and then take my bone folder and from the center out, get that crease, flatten that crease down. Flip it and do the same thing on this side. And there you have how to cut and fold your printables. Thank you.